Welcome back to Car Accessories and Gadget, your go-to garage for upgrades that make driving smoother, smarter, and a whole lot cooler. Today, we've lined up 25 must-have car gadgets, and trust us, you don't want to miss any of them. Let's dive right in. Starting things off strong with a gadget that's both a powerhouse and a time saver. The NOCO 2-in-1 Jump Starter with built-in tire inflator. It packs enough punch to jumpstart a dead battery and inflate a flat tire, all from one compact unit. Whether you're stranded in your driveway or out on a trip, this tool has your back. It's portable, reliable, and ready when you need it most. With multiple safety features and an easy-to-read display, it's the kind of device that turns a bad day around in minutes. Next up, let's freshen things up. Smart Car Air Fresheners are nothing like those old-school hanging trees. These sleek devices use essential oils or motion-activated diffusers to subtly refresh your cabin. Clean, elegant, and long-lasting. These modern fresheners upgrade your car's vibe instantly. Many come with customizable scents and automatic timers, so your car always smells welcoming without lifting a finger. Moving on to something for the weekend warriors, a foam cannon. If you enjoy washing your ride, this tool makes it way more fun. Just hook it to a pressure washer, and it blankets your vehicle in thick foam. It lifts dirt easily, protects your paint, and leaves your car gleaming. It's a pro-level clean right from your driveway, and it saves time while making washing way more satisfying. Now let's bring some order to your cargo space. The Backseat hanging trunk organizer is a clever way to keep everything from groceries to emergency tools tidy. It straps behind the seats, folds away when not needed, and keeps your trunk clean and accessible. With multiple compartments and durable fabric, it's perfect for busy families or anyone who wants a mess-free car. If road trips are your thing, you'll love the rooftop cargo carrier bag. Offering both 15 and 20 cubic foot options, it gives you loads of extra space without needing a bulky hard shell. It's waterproof, rugged, and makes packing for a getaway much easier. Whether you're hauling camping gear or vacation luggage, it keeps everything safe and dry. Everything you've seen so far is linked in the description. Just scroll down and tap to upgrade your ride. More awesome gadgets coming your way. Let's talk cleanliness. Car cleaning gel is a simple yet genius way to pull dirt from vents, consoles, and tight crevices. Press it in, lift it out, and watch all the grime come with it. Reusable and oddly satisfying, it's perfect for a detailed clean. Plus, it leaves no residue and has a refreshing scent, turning your car into a cleaner, fresher space. While we're on safety, a front and rear dashcam system should be on every driver's list. It captures everything happening around your vehicle in crisp HD, even at night. Whether it's for insurance protection or security, this is your 24/7 digital witness. With loop recording and motion detection, it offers peace of mind wherever you drive. Coming up next, changing a flat tire doesn't have to be a struggle anymore. An electric car jack plugs into your 12-volt outlet and lifts your car with the push of a button. It's fast, powerful, and makes roadside emergencies a whole lot easier. It's especially useful during bad weather or when you're alone. No more cranking by hand. Now let's decode those warning lights. The ANCEL AD310 OBD2 reader plugs right into your car and tells you exactly what that check engine light means. No more guessing or unnecessary trips to the mechanic. With easy-to-read error codes and plug-and-play use, it's a smart buy for DIY repairs or quick diagnostics. Charging clutter? Not anymore. This retractable car charger extends when you need it and winds back into place when you're done. It's fast, clean, and fits into any car setup like it was built in. With multiple ports and intelligent charging, your devices stay powered without the tangled mess. All the gear so far is linked below. Check out the description and grab what works best for your ride. Let's roll into the next set. Sometimes USB ports just aren't enough. A 150-watt power inverter converts your 12-volt socket into a standard plug, so you can charge laptops, cameras, or other small electronics. It's compact, reliable, and super handy on long drives or work trips. Whether you're working remotely or powering a drone battery, this handy gadget ensures your devices stay charged no matter where the road takes you. Security matters, and a GPS smart tracker gives you real-time vehicle location updates right from your phone. Whether you're protecting your car from theft or keeping an eye on a loved one's driving, this device offers peace of mind. It's discreet, reliable, and battery efficient, with alerts that let you know if your vehicle moves without you. A small investment for big-time security and control. Let's upgrade that old stereo experience. A portable CarPlay screen brings wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to older cars in minutes. No complicated installations, just mount it, power it, and go. Enjoy hands-free calls, GPS navigation, and streaming music with a crystal-clear display. It's like giving your car a tech facelift without spending thousands on a new head unit. Holding your phone while driving isn't just inconvenient, it's unsafe. This ultimate phone mount keeps your device secure and positioned right where you need it. Whether you're using maps or taking hands-free calls, the sturdy grip and 360-degree rotation ensure your phone stays accessible without being a distraction. It locks into place and stands up to potholes, speed bumps, and sharp turns. Hungry or on the go with work? The Lebogner steering wheel tray turns your car into a mobile office or snack station. It hooks onto your wheel in seconds and offers a flat, sturdy surface for eating, typing, or writing. When you're done, it stows away flat under the seat, perfect for delivery drivers, commuters, or anyone who spends hours on the road. Everything you've seen so far is linked in the description below. Tap those links to grab the ones that fit your style and needs. Let's keep the good stuff rolling. If you're all about keeping your ride clean, this 8-piece car care kit has your name on it. It includes everything from wax and tire cleaner to microfiber towels and detailing spray. Whether you're a weekend warrior or just love a fresh look, this set brings professional quality detailing right to your driveway. No more guessing. Just grab, clean, and shine. Now let's deal with the everyday mess. A portable vacuum cleaner for cars is a game changer. It's small enough to fit under a seat, powerful enough to suck up crumbs and pet hair, and comes with a set of attachments for every hard-to-reach corner. Plug it in, clean it out, and keep your interior looking showroom ready without visiting a car wash. Time for some hands-on maintenance? ROBLOCK Car Ramps offer a solid lift for oil changes, underbody inspections, or any other home mechanic task. They're strong, lightweight, and designed to stay firmly in place. The sloped design makes it easy to drive up without slipping, giving you the clearance you need for safe and efficient repairs in your own garage. Here's a slick little fix for a common problem: dropping your phone or keys between the seats. A universal car seat gap filler slides into place to catch those falling items and even provides a little bonus storage space. It blends with your interior, stays in place, and makes driving safer by reducing distractions. It's one of those "why didn't I get this sooner" kind of upgrades. Ever searched for your sunglasses only to find them scratched or squashed? A visor-mounted sunglasses holder keeps your shades secure, accessible, and safe from damage. It clips on easily, stays put, and works for most frame sizes. It's a small accessory with big benefits, especially when the sun hits just right and you need those glasses fast. Want to explore any of these awesome upgrades? All links are neatly added in the description below. Click through to find your favorites. Let's knock out the final stretch. Need a spot for all those loose documents? The CoBak document holder is a slim and sleek solution for keeping your registration, insurance papers, and service receipts all in one place. It tucks neatly into your glove box or clips to your visor, and the see-through windows make everything easy to find. No more fumbling during a traffic stop or DMV visit. For pet owners, a waterproof dog car seat cover is a game changer. It shields your upholstery from fur, drool, muddy paws, and even the occasional mess. Designed to fit most back seats, it installs in seconds and creates a safe, comfortable spot for your furry friend. Your pup stays happy. Your seats stay clean. It's a win-win for every ride. Got kids or passengers who can't ride without their shows? A tablet headrest mount turns your car into a rolling entertainment center. It securely holds any tablet or device and adjusts to just the right angle. Long road trips become way more peaceful, and everyone in the back stays busy while you focus on the road ahead. Let's face it, scraping ice off your windshield is a pain. The EcoNour windshield cover takes the hassle out of winter mornings. Just lay it over your windshield at night and peel it off in the morning to reveal a clear, frost-free glass. No more numb fingers, no more frozen wipers. Just start and go. And finally, when icy roads hit, snow socks for tires are the perfect emergency grip solution. Easier to install than chains, they slide on quickly and provide instant traction on snow and ice. They're lightweight, reusable, and a great backup to keep in the trunk during the colder months. Because slipping and sliding should never be part of the drive. That wraps up today's list. Every gadget we covered is linked in the description below. Go ahead and check them out to upgrade your driving game. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again at Car Accessories and Gadget for more cool gear coming your way.